Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x to the power of 3 is bigger than x to the power of 2. So we need to use about long division. So in this situation, I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. Next, because we have s to the power of 3, we need to multiply by s because s with s square we create about s to the power of 3. S with s we have s square. S with negative number 2 we have negative 2s. Next, we need to minus two equations. And now 3s squared minus s, we have 2s squared. S minus negative 2s, we have 3s. Next, because we have number 2s squared, we have s squared. That means we need to multiply by number 2. So number 2 with s squared, we have 2s squared. Number 2 with s, we have 2s. Number 2 with negative number 2, we have negative number 4. We need to minus two equations. So 3s minus 2s, you got s. This one you got cancel. Negative number 3 minus negative number 4, we have positive number 1. So because s plus 1, we have the power smaller than s squared here. And now we have the final answer. So I will put s plus number 2 gone here. And then we have s plus 1 I will put in here. And now we have like this. Next, we need to do about factorization by s squared plus s minus number 2. And now we have like this. Now we need to consider about this one. So in this situation, we can use about partial fraction. And we have 8 over s minus number 1. And we have b over s plus number 1, s plus number 2. And now we do common denominator. So this one missing about s plus number 2. So capital 8 multiplied by s plus number 2. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 1. S minus number 1 over s minus number 1 multiplied by s plus number 1, s plus number 2. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of x. About x, we have a and b. About the numbers, we have 2a minus b. And we have s minus 1, s plus number 2. So we need to compare coefficient. We just have only coefficient of s, that is about number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. This one we have positive number 1. So 2a minus b equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So we have 8 equals to 2 over 3. B equals to 1 over 3. And now we put a and b go in here. So we calculate this one and we have like this. Now we go back in here. So the integration of s, that is about s squared over number 2. Number 2, that's about 2s. This one, that is about this one in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.